Meaning of hiccup.
hiccup,
Hiccup.
hiccup,
Hiccup. Hiccup is a sudden, involuntary contraction, spasm, of the diaphragm muscle that causes a brief inhalation followed by an abrupt closure of the glottis, resulting in a distinctive sound. It can be caused by various factors such as eating or drinking too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, or even emotional stress. While hiccups are usually harmless and resolve on their own, persistent hiccups may indicate an underlying medical condition. Treatment for hiccups may include drinking water or holding one's breath, but more severe cases may require medication or medical intervention.